Good evening, everyone. Namaste. Jai KTA. Dear friends and members, how are you? Hope you all doing well. And it's a good news to everyone saying that the coronavirus vaccine, it's going to be coming to the market and it is going to be injected to the all people, the month of March. Our industry is going to come back again like earlier. We're going to rock once again. So, keeping everything in hope, I would like to start today's news. Welcome to my news. Members, today I would like to speak about Mr. Binish KT. Let me repeat once again, Mr. Binish KT. Friends, when I am talking about Mr. Binish KT, I am getting goosebumps. You know why? I'll come back to you. He is our Kerala KTEA, Kerala Tourism Employee Association Joint Treasurer. But I would like to introduce Mr. Binish KT as Binish KT. Why? Something is behind it. The reason, rather address him as a Joint Treasurer of KTEA, I love to address him as Binish KT because he has made a benchmark and he has made a good reputation in the market in our industry. Friends, Mr. Binish has started his career at 2003. Still, he is into the same industry without skipping into any other industries at any point of time. He's got a good experience of 17 years. You don't believe if I read his CV. Even I was very shocked when I was reading his CV, and I was happily reading his CV with comparatively any other CV. I am not demotivating other people, but Mr. Binish has a special qualities. You know what it is? Mr. Binish has started his career 2003, as I said. He started one of the best hotel in Bangalore, the name called St. Mark's Hotel. Even my roots are from St. Mark's Hotel. That was not the reason that I was very happy today. Once you heard about Mr. Binish KT, you will come to know why I am talking about Mr. Binish KT like in this much of sound. As I said, he started his career 2003. As a Commis, he started with St. Mark's Hotel. Later, he moved to Grand Ashoka in Bangalore. 2003 to 2004, again he worked as a Commis. Later, May 2004 to April 2010, he worked as a senior cook in Intercat. Later, there it goes, April 2010 to 2011 as a Commis 1. You know where he has worked? He has worked in Signature Restaurant. It was running by one of the best chef in the world, Mr. Gordon Ramsay. Hope you must have heard about Mr. Gordon Ramsay. There is no person in the hotel industry who doesn't know about Mr. Gordon Ramsay. He is one of the best. He is heading Australian Master Chef competition in Star Plus. If somebody don't know about Mr. Gordon Ramsay, please Google it. You will come to know about Mr. Gordon Ramsay. He has created histories and he is a celebrity chef as well. And later 2011 to 2012, he worked again as a Commis 1 in Karawali Club, Dubai. And right from 2012 September onwards, still he is spending his life in Dubai with Mac Getting Hotel in UAE as a head chef. Hope you guys understood the enthusiasm, the happiness, that anxiety, the goosebumps, why I have expressed through my words about Mr. Binish KT. It is not a full stop, my friends. It is just a comma for Mr. Binish KT. Still there are goes. His achievements, no one believes. 2011, he won the best pasta maker in culinary Italy. And achievement silver medal in live cooking competition at Salon Culinary at 2014. Nomination for Watson Award Best Pub Food at 2018. Nomination from Time Out Award, Best Pub Food, again 2018, Best Nightlife Award 2018, Irish Pub Global Award winner, Best Food Experience 2017. This is his achievements. And when it comes to his professional qualification, guys, I don't have a words to express. He is NCTVT in Culinary Arts and Sciences from ITDC, Kovalam, India. Human Resource Management, Professional Kitchen Skills, Managing and Developing the Customer Experience, Food Safety and Hygiene. This is Mr. Binish Katie. Guys, have you not got same kind of enthusiasm and same kind of happiness and same kind of goosebumps what I have got today when I was reading and when I was talking about Mr. Binish Katie? You know why I have told Mr. Binish Katie? Keeping this all in mind, keeping his achievements, keeping his experience, keeping his qualification in mind, we have nominated and elected as a joint treasurer for Kerala Tourism Employees Association. Such a strong guy, such an experienced guy, heading as a joint treasurer for KTEA. He can bring so many changes. He can implement so many things in KTEA to take it forward in right platform with the right people. You know, I have given him an award from my side and from KTEA's side, where we love in Kerala, it called as a Gandhari Malagu. Size-wise, he is very short. Voice-wise, he is very weak. But when it comes to work, he is none other than Bahubali. That's the reason I have named him as a Gandhari Malagu. Guys, Mr. Binish Katie would like to share something about KTEA, what he is feeling. So, let us give him a chance. Let us listen what he is trying to say about KTEA. Mr. Binish, we welcome you happily, heartily. What you wanted to tell about KTEA to us, we really welcome you. Mr. Binish Katie, please welcome.
നമസ്കാരം, എൻ്റെ പേര് ബിനീഷ്. ഞാൻ കേരള ടൂറിസം എംപ്ലോയ്മെൻറ്റ് അസോസിയേഷനിലെ സ്റ്റേറ്റ് കമ്മിറ്റി എക്സിക്യൂട്ടീവ് മെമ്പർ. 2000 ഏപ്രിൽ മുതൽ ഞാൻ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിൽ ഹോസ്പിറ്റാലിറ്റി ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിലുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ ഷെഫായിട്ട് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. കേരള ടൂറിസം എംപ്ലോയ്മെൻറ്റ് അസോസിയേഷൻ്റെ ഉദയം എന്ന് പറയുകയാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പറയാം, ഞാൻ ഉൾപ്പെടെ ഇതിൽ എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ചേർന്ന് പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്നു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടെ പല സംഘടനകളുണ്ടായിട്ടും അവർക്ക് ഫലപ്രദമായിട്ടുള്ള പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങളൊന്നും ഇവിടെ കാഴ്ചവെക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. സാധാരണക്കാരുടെ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ ഒരിടത്തും എത്തിക്കാനോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി ശബ്ദ ഉയർത്താനോ ഒരിടത്തും അവർ ഒരു ഘട്ടത്തിലും ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല എന്ന് വേണമെങ്കിൽ പറയാം. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ സമയത്താണ് അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഉദയം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ പിന്നിൽ പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന വളരെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ്ഡായിട്ടും കപ്പബിലിറ്റിയുള്ള ആൾക്കാരാണ്. അവർ എല്ലാ മേഖലയിലും കഴിവ് തെളിയിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള പ്രഗത്ഭരായ ആൾക്കാരാണ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. എല്ലാവരും കേരള ടൂറിസം എംപ്ലോയ്മെൻറ്റ് യൂണിയനിൽ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്ത് സംഘടന ശക്തിപ്പെടുത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ തലടുത്ത് റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാണ്. താങ്ക് യു.
Thank you, Mr. Binish. Thank you very much for your lovable words. Yes, as I said, you are very short and your voice is very weak, where we need an earphones to listen your voice. But when it comes to the work, as I said, you are Bahubali 1, Bahubali 2, might be Bahubali 3. And thanks for your words, Mr. Binish, for our KTEA, as well as thanks for your contribution towards KTEA, for the implementations, for everything. It just thank you is not enough to express in our way, but there are miles to go. We expect your support, your cooperation to take our KTEA forward and to achieve hikes. Behalf of everyone, behalf of KTEA, I would like to say thanks to Mr. Binish and Jai KTEA. Thank you very much. Namaste.